guys, it is beginning of another day and I need to go buy a few things at the shop. I'm going to Discam. Wish me luck. I hope I don't spend $1 million, and welcome to another vlog. I'm currently very addicted to this K-drama and I want to watch it while I'm doing a mini workout. I'm a bit sleep deprived. I think it was the heat. I was struggling with sleep last night, but I'm determined to still have a productive day and I hope you do too. Let's get this workout in while we watch the K-drama that I'm addicted to.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take.
Hey guys, so I'm at the podiatrist. I'm doing fittings for my insoles. Yeah, so basically I was at the podiatrist like a while ago, got flat feet, and you saw my flat feet, so that's what. I'm not masked. So I'm currently wearing my orthotics. I had to get Glory to Uber these. These are my gym shoes, so we can get them fitted as well. But it feels interesting, like the inside my shoe already. And I don't know if there's an example here, but yeah, I'll show you guys when I get home. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. Oops, didn't put on my shoe properly, but these are, oh, they're hard. Interesting. Madam Flatfoot. It looks like I've got an arch, but it's not always there. See, flat is a bent. So that's why I need this to give me a bit of elevation. Back here again because I want a corn dog. I hope I can get. I want a corn dog. So how does this work? Guys, I've been waiting for this trip here so I can buy one of these. Stop getting water. I'm thirsty. Okay, I'll just have something that I shouldn't have. Coconut. Yeah, I like coconut water. I'm here for. This is gonna be the death of me, huh? Down.
What is this now?
This one is already showing me this negativity. He hasn't even given it a chance. I don't know what's what. I know there's cheese. That Ajima was not trying to, she was not feeling me. She was. There's three in the fridge. Oh, this is sausage. Cheese. I really like corn. It's yummy, guys. I don't know if I can freeze it. It's yummy. Even Glory likes it. So that's when you know. Okay, so these are the that. It literally feels like I'm more stable when I walk now. You'll be in camera as well. Feels more stable. So that's what they look like.
relax and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not great.
So guys, this is my meal prep. I did some salmon there, my shiitake mushrooms, well, I think the exotic mushrooms, but you know, not the usual mushrooms because they bore me. Some meatballs, string beans, pasta, rice, what is this? Pok choy, carrots. Okay, oh, pok choy is like spinach, but like Asian spinach. And then my steamed carrots, peppers, and some chicken. I'll probably still make prawns and stuff. But yeah, I just find it beneficial to like rather prep as opposed to making meals every day. So I can do different variations of things. So as an example, the pasta, the chicken I can have with either rice or pasta with the mushrooms and the beans, like, you know, bits and pieces, bits and bobs. I'm still gonna make, as I said, prawns, as many for me. And we're not like big on sauces and stuff because it helps monitor calories. So yeah, it's my meal prep. I'm coming! This man. Hey guys, so actually listening to Tandy's vlog, and I'm editing. It's a day, and I feel like I'm getting sick, and it's annoying me because it's my fault because I stopped taking my multivit. Because I'm starting to sound like chipmunk, and that's not the vibe. It's too much going on right now, and I don't know, it might be because I'm a little bit stressed because work is hectic, campaigns are hectic, there's events, content, like busy. But yeah, just trying to be productive on my lunch break, watching some Tandy while I edit and I need to submit. Busy, but I'm grateful. Honestly, more than anything, I'm grateful. And I need to be responsible and take multivitamins so I don't sound like this. I'm gonna be so good. Look at me. Judge me. Because I have not decanted it yet. Anyway, I think I'll do it today after I finish editing here. Because, well, I'm also judging myself.
Because I kind of have to like edit, and my laptop actually does not last off the charger. My laptop, yeah.
I'm taking the plunge. I'm using my medicine dispenser, so I'm going to be doing that now while I'm watching the vlog. I believe in multitasking. I don't believe in doing one thing at a time. It makes me mad if I can't do one thing while I'm doing another. So I always do my hair while I'm watching something, because we need to optimize time, because we don't have enough time, because we spend our whole lives at work, and then we only have 8 hours, which is not 8 hours. It includes travel time, cooking time. Like, when do I live? So I need to double up. So we're doubling up now.
Soaking in, I feel so good. So now I just want to like scrub my face and fix. Morning, guys. Yeah, the face is swollen now.
Guys, I'm so excited. I'm proud of myself. It's the small wins, guys. When you overcome procrastination, you need to celebrate that, okay? I did it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this next to my bed, because me dispensing medicine from there every morning was not working anymore, and I was not keeping up. And yeah, now I'm gonna have my multivitamins and not sound like a chipmunk, I hope. Good morning, guys. I actually want to close off this vlog. I'm sounding like a frog because, yeah, but I did take my multivitamins this morning. Just gonna take it easy, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and yeah, comment, and welcome to Vlogtober.